This is a great little humidifier. One thing I really like about it is the capacity is pretty perfect for at least the largest amount that I would want to carry. I like how it has the ceramic filter in there that is going to help with those minerals in the water, and you descale the ceramic filter. For the essential oil diffuser, you push on the drawer and then you pull out, and it's got this little felt pad here for that. You push back in. But of course, the main thing here is these controls. Now, I did download the app. The app is amazing, and I would definitely recommend doing that. But I also wanted to demonstrate that you can control it through buttons here. And night mode is especially nice because it dims the lights, and it also, there we go, and it also turns off the light down here. I will show you, actually I can't because of the app. So there's a light that comes from underneath here that you have control over as well. There's also a timer and also how much humidity you want. I really like that you can either set how much steam you want coming out, or you can also set what humidity you want the room temperature, or the room humidity to stay at. So yeah, there's a lot of really great features about this. I can't find anything that I want to complain about with it. It looks great, and so far it's super easy to use. I really love using it through the app, especially. It also has a child lock option, which locks the buttons. So yeah, I'd recommend it.
It's pretty cold too. Like cool, I guess. You can turn the light off in case you don't want to, if you don't want it to keep you up at night. And this is me just turning it on for an example, but usually I have it on a routine or a timer, something. It's Wi-Fi compatible with smart devices in your house. It's wonderful. And I love that you can set how damp you want to make your room and how strong you want the mist to be. I usually keep it on a 2 out of 3, and I like my humidity to be at least 50. Otherwise I get really dry and congested. So I live in Florida. Humidity is my best friend when it comes to my sinuses. As well as my husband.